So there have been a plenty of information about the Galaxy Note 10, and at this point of time, when we know exactly what the device could bring to us with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage for the base variant, and also according to the new report, Snapdragon 855 Plus is gonna be the heart of the upcoming Note models. There's nothing that compromise with the performance of these phones. So I guess it's time to talk about the official leak, which doesn't make any changes to the specs of this phone but do interferes with the pricing, and it could be a positive factor for most of us. First things first, the Galaxy Note 10 will have a 5G variant which will not mark any difference in specification except for the 5G modem. This device is obviously a pricey deal at approximately $1,400, and if you are considering to buy this, then you're at the right place to save your money. A leaked promo material of this handset shows that if you pre-order the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G variant, then you'll get the free Galaxy Note 10 with it. Verizon is the only carrier that will sell the device in United States, and that's something we all expected because they already have the exclusive right for the S10 Plus 5G variant. The deal is only valid when you buy their unlimited plan, and to be honest, it still sounds great because you are getting a $1,000 Note 10 for free of cost. It's just for United States, and also to take an advantage of this deal, you should be on Verizon. According to the leaked rendering provided by Ishan Agarwal, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus boasts a screen-to-body ratio of massive 92.5%. This is a record-breaking screen-to-body ratio for any flagship phone, and it has only become possible because Samsung has the extreme design language preserved for the Note 10. Now, the bottom bezel is only 3.7mm thick, even thinner than the 3.87 on iPhone XS. Just to mention here, the top and side bezels have also gone through some trimming, and it therefore increases the top level ratio. Finally, Samsung has fixed the issues with the Galaxy Fold, and it's going to launch in September with the same price tag. The first change that the company has made to protect it is the top protective layer of the display has been extended beyond the bezel, so it will not be easy to remove it. Secondly, they've added protection caps to the top and bottom of the hinge area so the dirt couldn't get in. Also, they've added a metal layer underneath the display to provide some more protection to the display. Lastly, the gap between the hinge and the body has been reduced. It's time to get ready for the second launch of the short-lived Galaxy Fold. Let's see how it pans out. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.